Hey everybody, in this 2-minute tutorial, we're going to be looking at a very simple and quick way that we can delete multiple files inside of our sample libraries that we're not going to be using anymore to clean up our sample organization, to make auditioning a little bit quicker and not going through all the old samples that we don't need anymore. So I'm going to go into my sample library. I can go into, let's go to packs here. Say I go through all my samples and there is a ton of samples that I'm not going to use anymore, because when we buy sample packs, when we download sample packs, it comes with a ton of stuff that we're not going to be using, and you're just wasting time listening to those every time you audition them. It's a little time consuming to go into each and every one of these files, listen to it, and click delete, move to trash, etc. So what you can do actually is create a new folder, call this folder delete folder, and anything that you don't want to listen to anymore, any audition or you want to get rid of, you can just drag and drop that into the delete folder. And then once you're done with this sample pack, you can move that delete folder up. And when you're done with these sample packs, you can keep moving it up further and further out of the folders. When you're done with everything and you have selected all the samples that you want to delete, instead of deleting them one by clicking delete and clicking yes, move to trash, you can just put all those files into a delete folder. And then when you're done with all the files that you don't want to be using anymore, you only have to delete that one folder, and it's going to delete everything within that folder, and that will get rid of all the samples. And it's much quicker than going in the individual ones. So hope you enjoyed. Nice quick little tip, little 2-minute tutorial. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button.